So what we have here is a 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic 1700 cc's. We're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing oil on this guy, and we'll see how this goes. It should be a fairly straightforward operation, and we'll see how it goes. Right now, the bike is warm, and I'm going to drain the oil, remove the two plugs, and once I find the screen, I'm going to remove the screen off of this bike. So we'll see how this goes. I got a few things already prepared. Filler cap is nice and loose. Engine oil, where is it? Filter is located right over there, K&N, right here where my finger is. And then what we got to do, we're going to be taking the two bolts from underneath, which I'm going to show you here in a second. I just got to adjust the camera. So I just adjusted the camera, and you can see one bolt is right here, and the second one is right over here. And we're going to drain them out. See how it goes. All right. Okay, we have bolt one out. Okay, and it's draining right now. Let me just adjust this better. It's coming out. Okay, we're gonna open this up so it goes a little bit faster. Okay, here we go. Leave it like that. Okay. Now, okay, this actually came out pretty good. And we're gonna go and get the second bolt out. Okay, so it's draining. Okay, where is it? Okay, here we go. So it's draining, and it's draining pretty good. Dipstick is wide open. Okay. Okay. Just gonna leave it like that for a minute. Oh yeah, she's getting there. Okay, so next what we're going to be doing, we're going to be removing the oil filter, K&N. This is a 17mm wrench, and it's just easy to move, and it's just, okay, so a couple of turns. Now this is going to be coming out very easily. Okay, perfect. That's what we want. Let that drain out a little bit. Engine is nice and hot, and yeah, it's all good. So far, so good. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we got the K&N performance filter. Yeah, we just took it out. I have the seal, so it's not stuck on there. I'm just gonna wait till everything is completely drained right out. So the oil is completely drained right out. And what we're gonna do right now, I just have to torque these bolts. Where are they at? Torque these bolts. I don't know if you guys gonna see it right here. Oh. Okay, that one's tight. Okay, so now 14 foot-pounds on both bolts, and then we're gonna be good to go. Okay, and 14, perfect. Okay. In this case, we're going to be putting a K&N 303. Okay, and before you put it on, what you want to do is you want to prime it a little bit, and that's what we're going to be doing. Putting a little bit of oil in there. Okay, oh, this is good stuff. Also, what we want to do, we want to take a little bit around and put it on your rubber O-ring, just like that. And now let this absorb into the filter. Okay, I think this is good to go. So now what we're gonna do, just gonna take it, we're gonna put it right over here. We're gonna go up here and I'm gonna install it. Okay, here we go. And I already made sure that area is nice and clean. Okay, once it gets, oh yeah, tight. Okay, and okay, that's good enough. Oh yeah, she's good to go. Very good. All right, so the oil filter is installed, good to go. Next, what we're going to be doing, I'm just going to go around and we're going to pour oil right in here. Okay. And she's bone dry. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to add oil, and it, according to the manual, it takes 4.3 liters. So in this case, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting a Mo Tool 7100 10W40 fully synthetic, and I'm pouring 4 liters right away. Okay, so that's 4 liters in, and I have I'm going to pour a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Okay, so 4 liters are in. Now I'm just going to go and put 0.3. So right about right here. A bit more. Okay, so that's 4.3 liters. And next what we're going to do is we're going to start up the bike. Okay, took the bike quickly for a quick spin, and now I'm in the process of checking the oil, and I had to add some. Just gotta put this down. And the way that you check it, once you ride, come back, wait about 3 minutes, pull the dipstick out, clean it, then if need to be, add a little bit of oil. If not, then don't. Now, in my case, I had to add. So the way that you check it, go all the way in and all the way out. And now we're gonna go and quickly check. Just have to add a little bit. And we are perfect. We are halfway. We are good to go. All right, so oil is very good. No issues here. And then that's basically how you change the oil. Very simple. No issue. If you follow the instructions, you're going to be good to go. Okay. Thank you for watching.